Do you feel like having some comfort food but don't feel like cooking? No worries, we'll cook it for you and deliver it right to your door every day. One of our popular comfort dishes is the chicken tikka masala. To begin the preparation, we dice up the chicken breast and marinate it with lemon juice and salt for a few minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we prepare our chicken tikka marinade. We start by mixing the ginger, garlic, cumin, coriander, garam masala, paprika, Kashmir chili, salt, pepper, water, extra virgin olive oil, and yogurt in a blender and blend it until smooth. I like using yogurt in the marinade because it provides a tanginess and tenderizing effect on the chicken breast. Yogurt contains many beneficial bacteria that function as a probiotic, which aids in gut health and digestion. We marinate the diced chicken overnight in the spiced yogurt marinade. Now we're ready to grill. The spiced yogurt marinade picks up all the smokiness from the grill and adds another layer of savory flavors. In a hot skillet, we sweat onions, ginger, fresh turmeric, and garlic in ghee. Then we add the classic dry spice blend of tikka masala that includes coriander, paprika, turmeric, and Kashmir chili. We slowly cook it on a low heat, marrying the perfumed exotic spice blend. To complete the sauce, we add plum tomatoes, yogurt, and garam masala and simmer for a few minutes. Now we add the grilled chicken breast to the sauce and simmer it until it's tender. Then we turn off the heat and let it rest for a few minutes before adding the fresh picked cilantro leaves. We serve our chicken tikka masala with steamed cilantro-jasmine rice. I like an extra dollop of yogurt on the side, which I have seasoned with a pinch of lemon zest and garam masala. With all the exotic aromas from the warm Indian spices, savory grilled chicken, mouth-watering tomato yogurt and garam masala sauce, this tastes like comfort food to me. Call now or go to zenfoods.com to find out more about our meal plans. I'm Chef Gavin and we're Zen Foods.